Alright, also for dinner we have chalupas that I fried up, and we have the raw taco with Dino kale instead of the lettuce. So this is what's for dinner. I just wanted to try this right here, but I was really just supposed to just do this, but just wanted to try this one. And this is the walnut meat. So when you make your walnut meat, make sure when you get the sun-dried tomatoes in the pack, do not get the halves. I end up getting the halves instead of just the strips. So it makes a difference. Do not get the halves. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. I made a chalupa with walnut meats, and then walnut meat on kale, the Dino kale, and then we have some hemp seed cheese spread that's on top. And we're going to try this first. I had a raw taco before, but I never had it with kale. That cheese is really good, nut-free. Okay, made with hemp seeds. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's really good. All right. Now let's try this chalupa. I do have the hemp cheese on here as well. But look out, when you do go raw, on a raw diet, you cannot do the bread. Okay? No, that tastes good too. But I don't know which one I like. I like both, but I'll probably just stick to the kale. No, this is so good. It's walnut meat. Simple, simple, simple. You just need walnuts. So if you have a food processor, put walnuts, sun-dried tomatoes, not in oil. And don't get the sun-dried tomatoes halves. Don't get that one. You need cumin, salt, paprika. and put it in your food processor. And that's it. Salt, pepper. So make sure you taste, season to taste. That's it. Sorry, y'all. It's good. Simple, delicious meal for the whole family. Now I bought this kale a couple of days ago, so it's starting to shrivel. So when it shrivels, it becomes tough. So make sure when you get your Dino kale, try to eat it within a day or two, so it won't be tough. Okay, I'm gonna hit my lip. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be full. I won't want to lay down after this. I made me some matcha latte with matcha. I'm using the matcha from the herbal store. Clove honey and almond milk. This is really good. I'm gonna show you how to look on the inside. This is the walnut meat, shredded lettuce. I like to get my shredded lettuce from Target. It's a certain type of lettuce that makes the tacos really good. And it's cheese, oh my gosh. Oh y'all, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so.
Hit that bell to be notified.
Okay. This is how it looked, and I did add some cinnamon on top. Can't really see it because I stirred it up. Oh yeah, so what did you eat for dinner? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you ate for dinner. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.